Today on Draw Stuff Real Easy, I'm going to show you how to draw a pocket penknife, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. So I'm going to start off by drawing a kind of a parallelogram like that, and then down. So this is going to be about the thickness of the body of the knife, and then we're going to want to draw little semicircles at the end, so then we can sort of create that penknife shape. And then we want to kind of split it in two like that, and then we're going to have the blade coming out like that, so that will come to about there. And then we have this little nick in like that, and it's a kind of a strange thing because it's, there we are, we got a kind of a thick piece here, but then it's kind of ground down to create the blade on this end. So we have little bits like that there to make toothpicks and things like that, which sort of slide in, and then we're going to want to have a little cross or something on the top there, like a Swiss cross on the top. Now to draw this in ink, I am going to start by drawing the blade, I think. So I'm going to draw the blade to there and to there, and then we come up a little bit and then down and up, and we've got a kind of a little triangle-y thing there going in there. It's quite slightly complicated, just because the channel's called Draw Stuff Real Easy, it doesn't mean that the thing that we're drawing is easy to draw. But I do my best to make it a little bit easier. So we're going to see that kind of thing in there, and this is going to be the actual blade part. And then we've got a little curve there, which is where you get your fingernail in to pull it out of the penknife. And then that's going to come around there, and that's going to come around like that. So we get like a double layer there, and we want a double layer along there too. Here we've got those little bits that sort of slide in like a toothpick at one end and a pair of tweezers at the other end. And here we want to draw a cross like that. Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines and no one will know how you worked the whole thing out. So I'm going to make this quite dark in here. That's kind of where the blade folds up inside. And I'm going to add a little bit of shadow on the ground where the knife body is actually kind of sitting on the table like that. And then I'll do a couple of little sort of bits like that to kind of try and make it look a bit shinier. And there you go, how to draw a pocket penknife. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.